Today's topic: Smart Home KNX Panel System Setup. From the hardware list and wiring details, step-by-step breakdown, hands-on practice. KNX Central Control Screen, KNX Power Supply Module, KNX Switch Module, Computer Connection Interface. Now let's focus on the wiring steps. First, connect the KNX power supply to the panel. Second, connect the KNX power supply to the accessory switch module. Third, connect the KNX accessory switch module to the computer connection interface. Let's recap the wiring steps. Setup: finalized all KNX devices power on right.